Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani American news channel. Kassar Mustafa Bhutta from New York. President Donald Trump chooses Jared Kushner's father for ambassador to France. President-elect Donald Trump announced Saturday that he has selected Charles Kushner as his pick for ambassador to France. Mr. Kushner is a real estate developer and the father of Jared Kushner, husband of his daughter Ivanka Trump. President Donald Trump pardoned Mr. Kushner during his first term, waving away a federal conviction in 2020. In a post to his social media site, Truth Social, President Donald Trump said, Mr. Kushner is a tremendous business leader, philanthropist, and a deal maker who will be a strong advocate representing our country and its interests. The nomination appears to be the first administration position that President Donald Trump has formally offered to a relative since his re-election. Also on Saturday, President Donald Trump announced two more picks, choosing former aide Kash Patel to lead the Federal Bureau of Investigation, an agency Patel has often criticized, and separately Chad Cronister, Sheriff of Florida's Hillsborough County, was nominated as head of the Drug Enforcement Agency. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.